Hey makers, this is Dhruvin and in this episode I am going to talk about Ignite announcement for Power BI. Ignite has been happened last week and let's recap the feature for Power BI. If you are looking for the Ignite announcement for Power Apps and Power Automate, I have created a separate video for that and there is an entire playlist for Microsoft Ignite announcement for other Microsoft product. So always check the description box for the reference link and the Ignite announcement playlist link. One more important thing, if you haven't followed me on Instagram and Twitter so far, do follow me on my Instagram or Twitter account. These are the platform where I am sharing different short tips and tricks related Power Platform. So do follow me on my Instagram account. So without wasting much time, let's get started and talk about Ignite announcement for Power BI. The first important announcement at Ignite is around improved export to Excel experience for your Power BI tables and matrix visual. Now, what are those improvement area? Let's see. At this moment, what happen here is if you have table or matrix visual into your Power BI report and you are exporting a data from Power BI service, at that time it does not preserve the overall structure of your visual and not preserving the number formatting and collect expand functionality that you have already implemented. Now, with this new improvement, whenever you are exporting the data, it has a separate option called data with current layout, and that option is something which preserve the overall structure of your visual, number formatting and collapse expand functionality. So this is really cool and amazing feature. Second important announcement at Ignite is around enhanced data culture with connected pivot tables in Excel for the web. Now what do we mean by this feature? Let's say you have already published any of your Power BI report and you want to consume the Power BI dataset directly into web browser from blank Excel for web, then this feature will help you over there. Under Excel for web, you will be having an option to connect the Power Pivot from your Power BI dataset and you can create different chart, visual into directly Excel using Power BI dataset. So this is really cool. The third important announcement at Ignite is around Power BI goals. You can more easily integrate goals into all your business processes. The goals feature has lots of improvement. It has new scorecard visual, goal level permission, Power Automate integration, moving goal around the scorecard, showing and hiding or moving the column, and assigning the goal to the dataset hierarchies. Now, what do we mean by that? Let's see. So, the first thing is that new scorecard visual. So, new scorecard visual has been introduced here into Power BI desktop and you can connect to any existing scorecard over here and you can play around different things that you are doing in the service in the desktop itself. Then second important thing is goal level permission. Now over here with the goal scorecard you can edit the permission and add the different roles over here. The third important thing is Power Automate integration. So whenever you are changing any goal priority or any goal status and you want to trigger any action on top of that, you can define the Power Automate on top of that and that will send the appropriate action whenever the status or anything is being changed over here. The fourth important thing is that now you can easily drag and drop and move the goals around this scorecard. So this is cool. Then you can easily show and hide different column using the column settings. So these are the important enhancement around Power BI goals. The fourth important announcement is around Power BI app for Teams. Power BI app for Teams is generally available now. Power BI app for Teams makes the data more accessible across the organization. It helps everyone seamlessly include data in chats, meeting, calendar invites, and Teams channel. Now let's see which are the improvements. So it basically simplified the navigation in the Power BI app for Teams. Also, we can include Power BI Goal Scorecard as a tab in the meetings and channels. Also, it is sending the Teams notification whenever someone is asking for a request access for a report or dashboard, or whenever you are sharing any report or dashboard. You can also pin a report as a tab into a Teams channel. Also, at Power BI Home, it has introduced one new tab called In Teams. You can also check the built-in team analytics report inside the Teams for Power BI app. Also, one more setting introduced to install the Power BI app for Microsoft Teams automatically. These are the high level points I covered here, but in some another video I will cover the detailed description about all of this feature in detail. The fifth important announcement at Ignite is around Power BI Generation 2 is generally available now. We all know about what is Power BI Premium V2, and this is something which is in GA at this moment. The sixth important announcement is one of my favorite announcement, and I am eagerly waiting for this feature. This is something which is blazing the fast performance with hybrid tables. Hybrid table, this is a unique concept. Let's say you have billions of rows. You can create any single table in both the mode with import and direct query mode. Let's say my table has 1 million row, and let's say I have some historical data over here. So I can load the historical data with the import mode and latest data with the direct query mode. This will reduce the data refresh points for a large data set, and it improves the performance as well. So historical data will be loaded with the help of import mode and real-time data with the direct query mode, and this would be the entire single table with dynamic partition. This is something which will be available very soon with the next Power BI desktop update, and I am eagerly waiting and excited to use this feature, and this is one of the favorite announcement from Ignite to me. Tell me in the comment section which is your favorite announcement. Seventh important announcement at Ignite is around the governing your data with Power BI and Azure Purview. Power BI and Azure Purview integration is now generally available. The eighth important announcement is around managing sensitive data with the data loss prevention policies. Microsoft 365 DLP policy is now in public preview, enabling the security admin to govern the upload of sensitive data to Power BI. So these are the top 8 announcements at Ignite for Power BI. Hope you love this announcement. Tell me in the comment section which is your favorite one. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. I have created another channel for short content and Hindi content on Power Platform, so do subscribe this channel. If you are looking for any consultancy, here is the website link. And if you wanted to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, here are the links. Also, follow me on podcast to listen only audio thing related to Power Platform. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.